Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to remove background noise in Shotcut, get rid of background noise, Shotcut tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just open the Shotcut app onto your device and then right after, just go ahead and import the video that you want to go ahead and remove the background noise. So for us to be able to begin, as you can see, I've added already in here the clip. Just click onto that, and once that one is highlighted, right click onto it and choose detach audio. Now, as you can see, once you have detached the audio, you should be able to see the wavelengths here onto the bottom part of it. So you'll have to click onto that, and right after, there should be a filters option in here. You could click onto that, but if you're not seeing this onto your end, there is a filters option here onto the upper part. Simply click onto either way, and then right after, just click onto this plus icon here onto the left side. Right after here onto the search bar, you'll just have to search for reduce noise. So you should be able to see this option which says wavelet. So click onto that one, and then it should give you an option to go ahead and adjust or play onto its settings. So you could go ahead and try to lessen the decompose. You could go ahead and add more threshold and add in more onto percent. So you could play onto the settings to achieve the perfect audio that you want onto your video. So you could go ahead and do a preview as well so that you could try to see if it has completely removed the background noise onto your audio. And that is how easy you could remove background noise in Shotcut. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.